If you're watching this video, it's probably because you have a Green Wave Plus. And you know, U.S. Water Systems sold that system for 10 or 15 years with varying degrees of success. A lot of people love their systems. But we now have better technology. However, we're not saying you have to buy a new system. We're going to tell you how you can take your Green Wave Plus and turn it into a better system, refurbish it at a lower cost than replacing the media inside. So, the Green Wave Plus, the first cartridge was a 4.5 by 20 inch cartridge, and it had a 5 micron filter in there. That's going to stay as a 5 micron filter. The first tank, the first chrome tank, had catalytic carbon inside that tank, and if you've had it more than 5 years, you're probably going to need to replace that tank of carbon. Instead of replacing it with catalytic carbon, though, you're going to put in granular activated carbon in that tank. It's cheaper than catalytic carbon. And then the second tank that had the TAC or the NAC scale prevention media, you're going to dump that out and you're going to put granular catalytic activated carbon in that tank. So you're going to have two tanks of carbon, one with regular granular activated carbon. The second tank is going to be the catalytic carbon. They both take out different chemicals and are designed to operate together. And then after those two tanks, you're going to put the Lime Blaster cartridge. What we do is for all of our Green Wave customers, we give you a better price than just replacing the media. The media in that second tank can cost $700 to $2,100 to replace, and you can do it for less than half that by switching to the Lime Blaster system, which is a better scale prevention system, costs less, works better, and then you'll have two tanks of carbon that are going to remove virtually every chemical known to mankind. If you're not sure how this works, please give us a call. One of our certified water specialists will be happy to help you through this process. Enjoy your water.